So I just heard that mandatory registration and training is going to be considered for drone owners in New Zealand. So the Insta360 1X is going to be even more handy in the future. Check it out.
I wish you'd stay, but there you go. I have so much I wanna say to you, much I wanna say, but there's no time.
I don't think it's a coincidence that today of all days, this morning in my inbox, I get an email from DJI reseller in New Zealand saying that they are now stocking the Insta360 1X on the day that the government announced that they was considering a mandatory registration and training for drone pilots in New Zealand. I think 360 cameras are about to become really popular here.
Forgiving me, and I just want you to know I didn't mean it, baby. I just wanna be with you. I should be with you. There is so much that I would change about the way I treated you. I don't deserve a second chance. I know that I'm way too late, cause I messed it up, and there you go. There you go, walking out that door. It felt so close, closer than it felt before. Forgiving me, and